Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm using the April kit from Kitaholic Kits to create this traveler's notebook layout. I love the pastel-y vibes from this kit, so I'm really leaning into that for this layout. And it's my pocket page layout, so I'm gonna do essentially the whole layout outside of the pocket pages, and then I'm going to stick them back in there. So I'm documenting photos of my craft room organization, which is something I've done recently and I'm very proud of. And I'm taking a lot of the little scraps that I have left over from some other projects that I did, and I'm just going to punch a bunch of circles. And so I'm punching 2 inch, 1 inch and 1.5 inches, and I'm just did them sort of randomly and scattered. Then I'm just sort of lining up to see if I kind of like how all these circles look. And once I like that, I'm going to take some of them away and I'm going to take them through my sewing machine, and I'm going to do some stitching. So I'm going to do some vellum stitching on some of them, and some of them just going to do normal stitching just to add some texture, interest, and also the vellum helps tone down that purple, which is quite a dark purple. So I'm going to lay out these circles how I like them, but I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing because it was quite tedious and it took forever. And that's how it looks in the end. So I'm now wondering whether I should glue down my photos, and I decide yes, I'm going to do that. Also, I'm really sorry about the lighting. It was a weird day outside, and I sit next to my window, and even though I've got my lights on, for some reason the sun was just more powerful on this particular day. So the light changes constantly. Now I'm going to take all these beautiful little sprigs and flowers from the digital cut apart sheet. They are beautiful. It took me forever to fussy cut them, but I'm glad I went through the effort because it was quite lovely. I'm going to lay them out in little clusters of 3, so 2 flowers and then a sprig, and then I'm just going to glue them down and be quite happy. I like the colors, and they tie in so well with all of these pastel beautiful colors. So like I said before, I'm really leaning into the pastel vibes. Also, I'm about to, by the way, lose some footage down the track, but I'm going to talk you through that because my camera decided to die and I couldn't figure out what it was. And then I figured out that my SD card just decided it's not going to work anymore. But anyway, so for now I'm moving on to the left-hand side, and I'm cutting down that photo because it was a bit big. And I'm going to map that on the yellow paper to carry that yellow across. And then I'm going to stamp "This feels so good" onto that blue label. And I will be joining you soon in person to talk you through what I did with the rest of the layout, because I'm going to lose some footage now, very soon. Hey guys, Renelia here. My SD card has decided to die, and so I had to order a new one, and that is currently on the way, but I have to use my phone to show you how I finished this layout. So I think the last thing you saw was me doing the stamping right there. So I did the stamping, I added these labels, I added my journaling and a date. And then I did 1, 2, 3 flower clusters to match the other side. I also put in these little golden love hearts, 3 of them, like so, just because actually the vellum tape was quite visible on that purple, that one there. So I wanted to hide that, and then I thought, why not make it a theme? So I took 3 of the little golden love hearts, and then I added these 2 on the other side, which actually came from a kit a few months ago. Anyway, that is the final layout. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.